Hi there, I'm going to cut hair for my kids tonight. I'm going to use these Bimirth kids hair clippers. I love this product. Especially I love this bag because this bag can store all the accessories after haircut every time. So you can see every accessories can organize very well. It is very easy to storage, no missing parts. And let's get these hair clippers out. You can see these hair clippers. It is good and there's marking on it. The pattern is very cute. When you put it on, you can hear the voice. It is also okay. It is waterproof. After you do the haircut, you can wash it with water. So it is very easy to use. But please remember, after the haircut every time, you need to put some baby oil on the blade. Here you put some drops of the baby oil to maintain the blade. So the blade you can maintain more, the hair clippers you can use more. Okay, let's do the haircut for my kids. Put on the tape. You can see my kids, the hair is very thick and very heavy. You see, very heavy. Let's comb it firstly. There are three guide combs. I will choose the number 9 and put on the hair clipper. Go up. Go up from down to up, like this way. Keep moving like this. Then let's see, comb and see. Then I will change another one. Change the 12 millimeter. I change the red comb. I will move up to the top. So you can see this way will be better. Trim a little by little. Turn one. We can cross the head. You can cross like this way, move like this way, and move like this way. trim a little by little. Then we can use the short guide comb. Like I will use the 6mm. Put on the guide comb. Trim like this. After you trim all the round, you can change the short one. Then I'm gonna use the short one. You can upside down the hair clippers like this. Trim like this. This part we can cut like this. You can see the hair. The hair on the top, because I want my kids with the longer hair on the top, so I will use the comb. You can use any comb, it's okay. I will comb like this way because I want to keep the long hair. In different way, like this way. Just trim a little by little. Trim like this way, a little by little. At last, I will use the 12mm guide comb to trim again. Okay. And we can clean with this sponge. Take a rub. Is it nice?